Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
To affirm a meeting, the student's eligibility status must be eligible providing services. Locate the student record and navigate to the future forms. Click the green Affirm button. Verify the meeting information. Click the checkboxes next to each field to confirm the information. Choose the appropriate response from the drop-down menu. Did the student transfer in from a non-SEIS district and their hard copy IEP is being affirmed? Did the student transfer in from out of state and their hard copy IEP is being affirmed? The default should be no, unless you are completing the initial CalPADS Affirm process. You can enter any Affirm comments as needed. Click the checkboxes next to other meeting dates to confirm the accuracy of the next meeting and the last reevaluation date. If any of the meeting information needs to be corrected, do not continue the Affirm process. Click the Return to Future IEP button and edit the information eligibility form and save it. Click the Affirm button and begin the Affirm process again. If all information is correct, click the green Continue Affirm button. SEIS will check for any CalPADS errors. If CalPADS errors are found, a CalPADS error checkbox will appear. The box will tell you which page of the student record has the error. Click OK to close the checkbox and then navigate to the CalPADS Student or CalPADS Services page to make the required corrections. Once corrections are made, begin the Affirm process again. Otherwise, if there are no CalPADS errors, click Continue to complete the Affirm process. Select the forms that were used in the meeting by clicking the checkbox located to the left of the form preview. Click the Submit button. Confirm these forms by clicking the Affirm button. Click the OK button. The Affirm process is complete.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.